Hello everyone, we Ecomine we develop this AI powered sustainability intelligence platform. Imagine you buy aluminium can from the store and we can use it and we can throw it away so that it can generate the large waste in our country. To manage this, currently industry use the LCA tool. LCA is nothing but the life cycle assessment tool. It is used to measure the impact of metal on the environment. In our platform, we implement the circular LCA. Circular LCA is nothing but the we can recycle this aluminium can. Imagine you are the engineer in the aluminium company. Your industry want to recycle one aluminium can. To recycle one aluminium can, engineer need to understand which metal should combine with the aluminium and we can get the best product. In currently industry use the linear model, so it can take the 6 to 7 months to decide which metal is best. So to reduce this work, we can develop this website. Let's see our website. Firstly, we calculate the LCA, select the metal copper, then we can select the ore grade and then production scale. Here we can select the location and energy infrastructure processing. If any data is missing, our AI model fill the missing data and generate the best result. Here we can see the result: energy consumption, carbon emission, water usage and material circularity. In this platform, we compare the two LCA, linear LCA and the circular LCA. Here is the analysis of our project. Then we can add the multiple scenario as per user requirement. At the end, we can see the result. When metal is recycled, in this report we can see which metal should combine with the aluminium and get the best product like material in industries or car products. If I select the technical reports, then it can generate the technical report so that engineer, metallurgist and decision maker can easily understand the reports and doing their process. It can reduce the all manual work. In our system, we use the ML model to reduce the all manual work. Let's see the ML model.